Well, on the back now. Take the very end and put up on top of the leaf springs, and have to C-notch this out. Put the bracket in, either bolted in or welded in. We hopefully we can get this done before it gets dark. About 2 o'clock right now. I think it's already got 2-inch shackles, so I might put it a little low in the back. If it's too low, we'll put stock shackles back on it, or buy some. I don't know what it is. It didn't come with stock shackles on it, so. But let's get this started. Once you get the U-bolts off, we got it on both sides, as you just seen a while ago. Get the shocks undone. That brake line should have enough play in it to let it down. I don't know if I'm just gonna undo the back leaf spring, try to wiggle it up on top of it, or just take the leaf spring, unbolt it completely, and set it under it. Jack it up, set them under it, go from there. Alright, we got both leaf springs dropped. You can see I got them laying under the rear axle there. I'm gonna jack it up, put the leaf springs back in. We got the leaf springs bolted back up, and we got the rear end sitting on top of them now. I mean, it's not close to being done. We still got to do that C-notch. And you can look at the pinion there. Look at that angle. Oh, yeah, I don't even have all the stuff yet. I'm gonna have to let my jack down and put a block or something on my jack, get the rear end up higher so I can get all that put on there. Them leaf springs ain't no fun either. That was a good workout. A lot heavier than I thought they were gonna be. Well, like much more. Just big neck still be the C-notch. Ain't really looking forward to that, but it's gonna have to be done with them 2-inch shackles on the back. Well, it got dark. The old lady wanted to go out and eat, so we had to call it quits. But all we like left is putting the C-notch in, but bolting the shocks up. I think I'm gonna call it quits on this one. I'm gonna put the tires on to see how low it sits. I mean, we ain't even got any weight on it, and it's already close. I'm not sure about my pinion angle either.